everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. Okay, so I'm going to be in the video this time because I want to show you guys some stuff. I hope you can hear me. I'm using out trying out my new camera with the circle ring on it, so let me know if you guys can see okay. I just want to get this out there because I just came back from Costco and oh boy, I think we are, it looks like March again. Let me just say that. So I went there, it wasn't even 1 o'clock, and it was absolutely crowded. I mean, to the max at capacity. It was ridiculous. Most of the cars are, well, the cars are parked everywhere, but most of the people are in the meat section, the fish section, and the water section, and then the fresh vegetables, that stuff. So there's a lot of people there. Everybody's trying to social distance, which is really good. I brought my spray hand sanitizer in, and I was spraying everything as I went. So I just want to show you my haul. I don't usually do this, but this is a major stock up for me, me and my husband, because I can a lot of meats and, you know, chicken and stuff like that, beef, pork. And we have a freezer full of, well, not full of food, which is hence my haul today. So I figured, if anything, I need to just get the basics in here, so we have them and we don't have to worry about anything with all of my canning and stuff. This should be it. The only thing I anticipate needing is milk and eggs. And I do intend to get some more evaporated milk. I have a lot, but I don't have enough. And then eggs. I don't know how to preserve eggs. I don't like preserved eggs, so I'm gonna have to try to figure that one out. But so let me just go through really quickly what I got, what I was able to get. I actually went there for more stew meat, believe it or not. I really wanted more stew meat. I was gonna get a couple more pork loins. Some fish, more ground beef. I do have some, but I needed some more. So I got 8 Marie Callender chicken pot pies. These were on sale for $6.99, which is crazy. I might even have one for lunch. Never know. So the hot dog lines at Costco were so long; it was just incredible. So I didn't even get anything. No drink or anything there. So, and these are chicken pot pies. These are Marie Callender's. These are really, really good. If you guys go to Costco and these are available, these are such a great buy right now. $6.99. They're usually at least $1, $2.29, $2.50 each, I guess. These are the 10-ounce ones. Sometimes they're even a little bit more, but these are good size. I will even open one and show you guys. These are not the big ones, but they're the good size ones. So, and I can stack these in my freezer really well. Lunch or dinner in a pinch, especially when it's cold out. And it's been really weird here because it was 90 degrees on Sunday, I think it was, Saturday or Sunday, and then the very next day it was 61. And today it looks like it's about to rain. It's just, this weather is just as crazy as everything else right now. So, in addition to that, we go through a lot of garlic, and I do have dried garlic that I make into seasoning, and I do have one more of these. What I'm trying to do is make it so that there's talk of a 4 to 6 week lockdown. So I'm trying to make it so that I don't have to go anywhere. I'm high risk with asthma, so I don't want to go anywhere. If I don't have to. Nowhere that's unsafe. Let me say that. So, got our garlic. I should have got 2 of these. These were like $4.49. I think you can see this. This is 20 pounds of rice. I got one of these. I already have one. This was on sale for $8.99. Can't forget this. I go through a lot of these with my asthma because of congestion. Something triggers my asthma and I get really congested. So I live on Benadryl and Mucinex. So gotta have these in stock. So we go through a lot of butter. I do not can butter. It's not FDA approved for canning, and I don't do that. I am going to try to can ghee at some point. Not right away, maybe not even this year. Not sure yet. But I got 2 of these, and these are 4 pounds of butter, so we have 8 of them. I do a lot of baking and things. I also got 5 pounds of mild Italian sausage. I usually get the hot Italian sausage, the spicy one. This is all they have. So since it's just the 2 of us, I will freeze 4 at a time in food saver bags, which all of this is getting done. I'm not canning any of this. These are all going into our deep freeze. So I got tilapia, which was $4.99 a pound. It's fresh tilapia. It's never frozen. I am going to freeze it. Again, in packages for me and my husband. This was $19. These are eye-round roasts. And let's see, these were $3.39 a pound. I got almost 10 pounds. And it was $32.10. So I got 4 roasts, which will make not only 4 dinners, but lunches and breakfasts. And this is good for probably about 10 meals with leftovers and things. This is good for 10 meals. It's very good. Pork. There's a reason I got 2 of these. So right now, they are $1.99 a pound. 2 weeks ago, I went to Costco. These were $1.69 a pound. So they're going up a little bit. They were only $12 to $13 for a whole loin, okay? So I like to get these, and I don't make a loin roast out of them. I cut them into pork chops, about 1 inch thick, and I can butterfly them, I fry them, I saute them, I can bake them, do just about anything. If you don't do any of that, you can also use these for a pork loin roast, of course. You can can this, cutting it up in chunks, but you can also make carnitas with it, pulled pork, whatever you would normally do a pork shoulder, whatever you would use with that, you can use with this in a pinch. So this one was $14.85. This one was $13.53. So I'm going to cut those into pork chops, sorry. And that is, I think we're good until, oh my gosh, probably May of next year with pork. We're good with pork chops. I got some more ground beef. I got some 2 weeks ago, and I just got some more now. I got it because in March we ran out, and it was very hard to find. So I do have some in my freezer. I only got 1, and it was $21.65. This is $2.99 a pound, and it's 88% lean. So it's the good stuff. I can make hamburgers with it. I can make meatballs with it. This is really good for making meatballs. It's good ground beef. So the reason I got all of this, and I'll get to the other 2, is because right now there's no limits on meat. I talked to somebody at Costco, and they did say that limits are coming, but they don't know when. It could be later on today, it could be tomorrow, it could be next week, 2 weeks from now, whenever, but they did say that limits are coming. There was no limit on the water. I got a 36-pack bottles of water, the small 8-ounce bottles of water. We also have about 25 gallons full of water that we stock all the time. You need water, especially if you're making rice or if you're making beans. If you're canning, you need that water. Okay, so these are ribeye steaks, and I got 4 of these. This is a luxury item. We don't usually even get a lot of steak. In fact, I just bought some. And since it's the 2 of us, this is for 2 meals. It's $39.76. It's $9.99 a pound, which is not bad. During the lockdown, the last time it was, I think it went up to $15.99 a pound, which was outrageous. These were like $70. Crazy. I just want to make sure that we have a good variety in our diet of what I can make. Pairing, of course, with my canned stuff. So we have a good variety for 6 months. This is 6 months worth of food, guys, for us. I also got rockfish, which I'm going to be making tonight. This was $5.49 a pound, a little bit high for Costco. It's usually about $4.99 a pound, $4.89. But it was $22.40, and this is 4 pounds. Of course, I got sponges. I tried to get toilet paper. Tried to get, let's see, toilet paper, tissues, sanitizing wipes, which we know are out. I still have some, thankfully, because I stocked up last year on them before all this happened. So I do have a lot of wipes and paper towels, napkins, things like that, and toilet paper. But I wanted to get one more package that would put us at about 3 months, maybe 4 months stock. And it's not only for us, it's for our neighbors, it's for our church friends, it's for my family, you know, whoever needs it here locally that needs help. I mean, we are here. And then I've got, you know, my cans and cans, or jars and jars of food. So I think we're pretty well stocked up. Got the sourdough starter. I got a big bag of yeast a couple weeks ago. I have some packets of yeast as well. I do have canned vegetables from the store, just a couple jars, like beets, things that I don't have, that I can't can because it's not, you know, I can't get it right now. Have lots of green beans. Going to be recanning 10-pound cans of corn, which there is some controversy about that, about it becoming too mushy. For me, it doesn't come mushy at all. It's perfectly fine, and you preserve it and save the money. I think these cans were $3.39 for a number 10 can. I also have a can of hominy that I'm going to be making sole with, probably. Maybe even with some pork from this. I think I have a pork shoulder in the freezer outside, but I'm not sure. So this is my haul. Just wanted to show you guys. Let me know if you guys are seeing shortages in your area and what you think of all this. I mean, you know, here we go again. So be safe. Everybody just take care of you, okay? Stay safe. Don't be in large places where you're not safe, where people are not social distancing or wearing masks. Hope you guys all enjoy your holiday. I know Thanksgiving, it doesn't feel like Thanksgiving really, but we do have a lot to be thankful for, I think. No matter who you are, whether you've lost someone or you haven't, I know how hard that is. But we are here. We are survivors, and we have a lot to be thankful for. Maybe I'll do a thankfulness video. So yeah, this is it. So I don't anticipate going to the store anymore, except for milk, as I said, and eggs. I need to figure out a source for eggs since I don't have chickens. Other than that, that's it for now, and I will see you guys soon. That was my cat. Okay. Good catch. Okay, everybody. So Noah is playing with the stand that my phone is on, so I need to go, and I'll see you guys all soon. Bye-bye.